I'm good on camera, me, Anna. All right, how's it going? We're on location for today's photo shoot. We've got a riding school, so we've got models here with us, and we've got some horses we've borrowed. We're here with BWE, which is an embroidery studio in Teesside, and Jan's going to tell us more about the idea and the concept behind today's photo shoot.
Hi, so I do the marketing at BWE, and today we're at the Unicorn Centre. So the whole reason why we wanted to do this shoot is mainly because as a brand we've started aligning with Levi's, and that's basically what our models are going to be wearing today. The whole story behind the shoot is quite nice. With our two models, the story is that they're two completely different sisters with two different personalities that we've kind of embroidered different things for them. But we have just had a look around and we're just kind of scoping out the area and which horses that we want to use. But it should be a very nice fun day, and we can't wait to share the pictures with you guys.
Thanks, Jan. And some of the ideas we've had, because we had a mood board, didn't we? So some of the ideas is we're going to use the indoor arena, we're going to use the outdoor arena behind us as well. We've got a big backdrop off to try and get some cool shots as well. And I'll see you in the video. So one of the main shots I actually wanted to get was setting up this big stand with a massive new blue backdrop that I've bought, a cloth backdrop off Cape Backdrops. But unfortunately, the models have to wear a helmet, which I'm a bit gutted about because I didn't have that kind of look in my head. But it is what it is. Safety first and that.